YouTube, what's going on, man? Welcome back to another video. As y'all can tell, we about to get on this highway, so I ain't gonna do too much talking on the intro. And of course, damn, I'm gonna have to hit y'all back up after the traffic. Damn. Alright, we back. Definitely gotta be careful. Be a lot of coppers up here. I should probably put this in sport because my shit was about to break for me. No gas. I'm trying to get all this G85 out. Is this a Hellcat? Y'all better enjoy this because y'all will never see me drive like this again. Real spill. Look at that traffic, bro. It's a little hot. That's insane. Let's get back in the mix. Ooh. Move. Don't do it, buddy. Sophisticated ignorance, write my curses in cursive. But yeah, if y'all live in Atlanta, y'all know they shut 285 down, so everything a little hectic right now. And I'm supposed to be linking up with somebody to go. Wait a minute. go buy a steering wheel, but he's all the way up north, and I don't know if I'm going up there, chat. Not with how traffic looking. But yeah, new steering wheel on the way, because this steering wheel right here is uggo buggo. Holy shit. My car riding a little funny. I think I just need some tires in the back, because I feel a little slithery. Little slither snake face up. And my head mount is hurting me already. I can just tell my tires are done in the back. Let's go, Camry or Corolla. Yeah, we coming up with a Corolla, chat. It still does that when I'm in fucking sport. But we know I need gas. Shout out to that Camry though, or Corolla. Sorry for disrespecting you, my dog. Oh my gosh, car. Somebody tell me how to take that off. It didn't break for me, but if I would've got any closer, it probably would've. How long we been going? Only 7 minutes. Look, I'm not even close. That's gay. Ain't nothing wrong with being gay. I ain't trying to kill my career before it starts. But that's gay. I'm not even close to the dang thing. Traffic flow a little weak now. 25 miles. Let's get a little pull. It's not good to drive your car this hard and in sports mode while your tank is damn near empty, so do not be like me, chat. Don't be like me. All this clutter up here. I'm not about to hit nothing. Gee whiz. it's gonna do it again. Damn, we came up faster on this car than I thought. Oh my God! That was so rough. Yeah, I didn't like the sound of that. Not gonna die. But yeah, I'm about to flash this thing back to the 93 map. And usually it cuts power. Like you can only, I think it only goes over like up to like 4,000 RPMs once you have this amount of fuel left. I don't know. Oh hell no. That made a weird noise. I'm scared. This is gonna be a short video, chat. So yeah, I'm about to go flash it back to 93. I have no business being in sport mode right now. But I will catch y'all in the next video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Peace.